Well, had quite the revelation. I was recording, and um, it was too many pauses, too much stuff. Um, I was going through a lot of emotions and just thinking about the love I had, and yeah, I really came to a big opening conclusion. One I should have seen a long time ago. I wish I seen it a long time ago. I see it now, clear as day. I love her, right? And I accepted her for who she was, regardless of everything. But do you know what the real reason behind all of this? It's me. It has nothing to do with her. I accept that now. It's me. I was able to have all that compassion, all that love, all that understanding for her because of me, not because of her. It's all me. She never said she loved me back once. I tried to tell her many times. I realize now, yes, it's because of me. I I am that. I am the compassion. I am the one that chose to love her. I'm the one who chose to be loyal. All of that. I'm the one that chose everything. It's a really big acceptance now. It doesn't take away my love, but it's more love of myself. Regardless of everything, how I still love her, it has to do more with me, not with who she was. Everything she did was wrong, and I forgive her. I still love her. It has nothing to do with her. It's all me. And I see that clear as day now. It's all me. It is my compassion, my love, my understanding, my ability to accept her as who she was to me, and love her. It has nothing to do with who she was as a person or anything. It's just to me, my ability to love. And I realize now that's fine. It's fine. Now I can really, really love myself more fully. That love I had is it's all me. It has nothing to do with her. When I love somebody, I really do love them. I really want the best for them. Even when I can't be with them. That's because of me. I don't care about any of this other stuff. Twin flame things doesn't matter. It's this huge acceptance of just, it's just me. It is my love. It is my love that defines me. And I don't need her love. I don't need it. I see that now. I see that very clearly now. I don't need her love. That's just who I am as a person. You come into my life. I accept you. I love you. I see the beauty in you. I appreciate you. Because that's who I am. That's what I did. It's what I did for every single relationship I had. I gave them my love. I gave them my acceptance. If they want to spit on it, let them. That's what I did. They take my care, my concern, my passion, my compassion, and choose to just throw it away, so on and so forth. Has nothing. It's just me. And I'll continue doing that. I'll continue to love, just as I always have. My ex-wife's family, they all can say and admit and of course my family too. They all say the same thing. I was her light. I was her light. I loved her fully through everything. I accepted her fully through everything. I was there for her. And then when she didn't have me, she fell apart. Because my love was always there for her. And it wasn't when it wasn't there. She fell apart. To pieces. Homeless. On drugs. In less than a year away from me. When we were together married for 10 years. Married for 10 years. And I can see, it's clear as day to everybody, my love for my ex-wife held her together. I had my own problems, of course, but one thing I never had a problem was fully loving her, fully accepting her for who she was. Even though there was a lot of things I did not get that I needed in a relationship, I loved her. I gave that love fully. As far as a loving husband, I was that. As far as a loving partner for my ex, I was that. And it's so clear now. My love is because of me, not because of them. It is me. It was me the whole time. Doesn't matter who the person is, and I see that now. Doesn't matter who the person is. All my friends, my family, everyone I know, Everyone I know, they know who I am. They know I love them. They know I want the best for them. That's who I am. To this day, I'm not on bad terms on anyone. Even my ex now, talking to my friends. She's just saying, I did the best I can at the moment. Groveling, basically. I see it clear as day. My love for her has nothing to do with her. It's about me. It's always been me, and I wish I saw it sooner. Or not. Maybe I'm just supposed to see this now. But it feels great. It feels really liberating. Just realizing it's me the whole time. Doesn't matter who the person is. I love them. And it's a really big moment for me. And remember that to everyone watching. Or just me rewatching. If you really love someone a lot and still love them while you're apart and they did so much wrong, and you still forgive them and still love them, realize it is you. It is you. It is not them. It is your ability to love. It is all you. And you need to really see that. I'm happy I opened my eyes now. But it is all of your ability to love. And it was my ability to love. Has nothing to do with her. She could have been anyone. Anyone I'm close to. I loved and accepted them. And I loved and accepted her. As I look at it now. Regardless of all those red flags, all those things, I loved her. And it's because of me. I didn't love her out of desperation, out of this or that, no. That's just because of who I am as a person. That's just able to love that way. It's because of me. And remember, it's all because of you. If you loved so much, were rejected, cheated on, all these things, do not blame yourself. If you know you truly did love them and they let you down and you still love them to this day, realize it's because of you, not them. It's so important to see that. I wish I seen it sooner, but I see it now. And I think maybe I'm supposed to see it now. I'm really happy with that. I think, in a way, I couldn't have seen it till now. But I'm happy I see it now. Yeah, there was other things that happened today. Yeah, I got a 444 angel number at a certain time. When I felt this deep sadness that came in me. And I checked my watch and oh, yeah. And it went away. Oh, sorry. It's just funny. Yeah, there's stuff that happened today. It's a good day overall. I did a lot of walking today. How many steps did I do? Yeah, 14,000 steps. Good stuff. But yeah, regardless of what happened today, it was a good day. And a really good day now. Just having a nice revelation. So I'm feeling good. Feeling really good. And hope all of you have a good day too. I feel really free, really liberated. Just have a good one, everyone.